Oh, hello again. Just thought I'd pop in today because I went on to the Stampin' Up catalogue, and there's a section they call clearance sale, clearance rack or something like that. And I got a suite, and it's called Everything is Rosy suite. And it comes with the dies, the stamps, dies, papers, and a ribbon as well, which I haven't got over there somewhere. But I wanted to show you it because, not only because it's a fantastic set, but also it's a huge saving. Now the number is 149666, and it was £74, but it's now down to £40.70. Well, now that is incredible for what you get in here. So I thought, right, I'll come on and I'll do a little card for you all, and it's going to be, I've done all the pre-cutting and all that stuff, because if I do it, everything will go wrong on the camera. Now then, first of all, look at this paper. Isn't that gorgeous? Rose gold. And this is going to be what we call the first mat, or the first layer that's going to be laid onto the card. You don't want to be putting too much stuff, too much glue, as I said it, right to the end, because as you press it, it's going to go squidge blob, and it's going to be gone. But make sure your card's the right way up, don't forget. Now then, wiggle room. That's a good thing with wet glue. You've got a little bit of wiggle room. There we go. Now then, look. Ooh. Now I thought I'd also come on here to show you what a luxury card you can make. And there's so much material, so much items in this medley that, you know, you're going to be turning these out time after time after time. There we are. Now that's the second mat done. Now then, this is what's called a topper. And you can guess why, can't you? Because it goes on the top of the card. Now, some might like to put that on dimensionals. But no, I'm not going to do that. I was going to, but no. Now, then, what I'm going to do now is find a block, because I've decided to put this one on there. And it says, time to celebrate all the lovely things in life, starting with you. Now that I think is lovely. And what colour am I going to do? Right, I am going to go with lovely lipstick when I can find it. Oh, one day I'm going to spill everything all over this place. Right, now then, let's put this. Which way round do you go, matey? Right, you go that way round. Try and line them up. There you go. How's that doing? There, now you're looking good, Dana. Right, let's get stamping off here, because otherwise I'm going to be getting in a mess, she says, just as my mess is starting. Forgot my board, my stamping mat. Maybe I don't think I should have come on here today. What do you think? Right, tissues, papers, everything goes out the window, doesn't it? Soon, as they say, as soon as the camera starts rolling, as soon as that starts rolling, then you make the mess. So now then, don't forget, I'm going to try and make sure that it is actually the right way round. try and stamp it middle-ish. And like I said yesterday, when you put it down, don't move it. If you move it, it's going to go splunch. Leave it down there, put a little bit more pressure on it. Now then, hopefully this will work. Ta-da! And it has. Beautiful. And I also die cut one of the, where are you? Yeah. Right. These are the dies that go with it. And the dies will match up with the paper that's in there. So you can use some of these dies to actually cut out, oh, where's it gone now? There's a bigger die, and it actually cut down that flower there. Right, now I will put this on dimensionals, but first of all, I'm going to just catch the corner of the leaves. not too much. You don't want that squidging all over the place, but you want enough to hold it. I'm trying to rush because I got a delivery of furniture coming for my den today. I ordered it this morning. It's from Argos, a fantastic service. There we are. And then put that on there, turn that over, and these are handy, but they are quite difficult to get out. Right, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, you put these on because if you're going to put it in the post, and you know, sometimes even if you put fragile on the the envelope, then it still doesn't protect it. So these dimensionals will protect it to a certain degree. So you'll have the person you're sending it to will not have a squish card. They will have a card with a little lump in the middle. Here we are. Now then, again, check your card, see where you are. Now I've put the dimensionals on there and I've taken, oops, no I haven't. Oh, come off you. There we are, I've taken all, no, what is wrong with this thing? Oh dear, 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 there we go. And then I'm going to line it up like that. Go stand up for a minute, even though I'm not that tall, but yeah, put it there, round about there, now then, turn it over, because I'll smudge that otherwise. Right, there we are. And you can see here I've cut the topper a little bit shorter than usual because I wanted for the background of the card to the second mat, because it's so gorgeous, to show a bit more. Now I've give you the measurements. I should have given you them first, never mind. Well, the base is 6 by 4¼ inches. The first mattress is this rose gold. It's 5 3/4 by 4. Then we go on to this lovely, lovely one, and that comes out at 5½ by 3 3/4 to cut that. And then this one, the topper, you cut it 4 1/4 by 2 3/4. So that's the card for today, and thank you for watching. And if you follow the links, you get onto my Facebook page, and then you can go and order from me there. Thank you and bye.